A subsidiary of Charles Ross & Son Company, headquartered in Hauppauge, New York, Ross Mixing has been in Port St. Lucie for 30 years. But the Ross brand has been in business since 1842, with locations in New York, Georgia, India, and China, where a new 250,000 square foot plant is being built. Ross Mixing is known as the largest and most diverse manufacturer of mixing and blending equipment in the world. The 184-year-old company has built a reputation on manufacturing products of the highest quality and durability with decades of useful life. With a staff of roughly 36 employees working out of the Port St. Lucie facility, a team of machinists, welders, metal polishers, mechanics, and mechanical design engineers create mixers that are shipped around the globe. With worldwide annual sales in excess of $100 million, Ross was one of the first in the country to receive the President's E Award for exporting.
Well, we bring in products from some of our other companies in the U.S. and we make products for them as well. For instance, our one facility in Savannah does all of our control products. So all our control panels, motor control systems, PLC systems, recipe systems all come from that facility.
Inside the 45,000 square foot facility off Industrial Boulevard in Port St. Lucie, Ross employees design and manufacture industrial mixing, blending, drying, and dispersion equipment for a variety of industries. Customers include manufacturers of food, pharmaceuticals, paints, inks, chemicals, plastics, adhesives, batteries, cosmetics, and more. Their equipment helps make just about every product you can think of. Take, for example, a condiment bottle you might find in a restaurant.
That's a good example. If you were to hold a plastic ketchup bottle in your hand, you'd find in any restaurant, everything in your hand could have or would have been made on one of our mixers. That'd be the plastic bottle, the coating inside of the bottle, the plastic cap, the foil protective cap inside of the cap, the adhesive on the back of the label, the ink on the label, the barcode ink that's on the label, and even so much as the box and the glue that goes into the box and the ink on the box that it comes in. All that, including the ketchup, mayonnaise, or mustard that's inside of that bottle.
Wow. There's even one of their mixers on the top floor of the Rocket Assembly Building at NASA. All of Ross Mixing's products are designed and fabricated in Port St. Lucie using stainless steel with high polished surfaces. Completely customizable for each client's specific needs, their mixers range in size from a half a pint to thousands of gallons. The smallest mixer can fit in the trunk of a car, while the largest can be as long as 40 feet and as high as 15 feet, weighing 40,000 pounds. The company's products can operate at very low speeds with very high torque to the very highest speed with an ultra-shear mixer operating at 15,000 RPM with a clearance of 5/1000ths of an inch between the rotor and the basin. Since the original building was constructed in 1986, Ross has had 5 expansions in Port St. Lucie and are planning for another expansion in the near future, which could add an additional 55 employees.
We have plans currently to add 55,000 square feet to our existing 45,000 square feet, so it'll have a total of 100,000 square feet here at Ross Mixing. We currently have an expansion in our Wuxi plant in China that's going to give us 250,000 square feet total at that facility.
To find out more about Ross Mixing, visit their website at mixers.com or call 772-337-0900. And be sure to tune in next month as we highlight another local business and show you how St. Lucie works.